If you're paying $500 to start a Florida LLC in 2026, you're overpaying by $250, and here's the cheapest route that still works. Here's the problem. Most Florida LLC services hide the real cost until checkout. Skip the $300 registered agent upsells. Bastion Formations bundles it for $249 total. File online in 3 days instead of waiting 10 days for mail processing. Florida charges a $125 state filing fee. That part you can't avoid. But registered agent companies tack on $200 to $400 in service fees, then hit you with annual renewals at $150 per year. A freelance consultant in Tampa starts an LLC, pays $525 thinking it's normal, then discovers Wyoming LLCs cost half that. But she needs Florida because her clients are local and she wants that Florida address for credibility. This is exactly why we built Bastion Formations. You get the Florida LLC without the markup, and you keep the $250 difference in your pocket instead of handing it to a middleman who just fills out a form. Most people fail here. They Google cheapest Florida LLC and land on a $39 advertised price. Then at checkout it's suddenly $428 because registered agent is $199 per year, expedited filing is $100, and operating agreement template is $90. The $39 was bait. You end up paying more than if you went with an honest upfront price. Do not fall for the teaser pricing. With Bastion Formations, the $249 price includes formation, registered agent for the first year, EIN registration, and operating agreement. No upsells. No hidden line items. What you see is what you pay. Step 2 is filing your Florida Articles of Organization through Bastion Formations for $249. That price covers the $125 state fee, registered agent service for 12 months at $99 value, and EIN registration with the IRS so you can open a business bank account. Filing completes in 1 to 3 business days. You get a dashboard link that tracks every step in real time. The state emails your certificate of formation directly to you. No waiting for snail mail. No calling the state to check status. It's done. Step 3 is locking in your annual registered agent renewal at $99 per year instead of the $150 most Florida agents charge. This is important. Your registered agent receives legal mail and state notices on your behalf. If you miss a notice because you used a cheap agent who went out of business, Florida can administratively dissolve your LLC within 90 days. Bastion Formations keeps your agent active in all 50 states, including Florida, with mail scanning so you see documents the same day they arrive. You stay compliant without babysitting a P.O. box. Here's the problem most DIY filers hit in month 6. You save $100 by filing yourself on the state website. Then the IRS sends your EIN confirmation to the wrong address because you fat-fingered the mailing line. Now you can't open a Stripe account or a business bank account because you have no EIN proof letter. You call the IRS. They tell you it takes 4 to 6 weeks to reissue. Your launch is dead for a month. That $100 savings just cost you $3,000 in lost revenue. Bastion Formations handles the EIN filing as part of the $249 package and delivers the IRS confirmation letter in PDF within 7 days. Advanced move for 2026. If you're a non-US resident forming a Florida LLC, you need an ITIN before the IRS will issue your EIN. Most formation services don't tell you this until after you've paid. Then you're stuck waiting 8 to 12 weeks for the ITIN to arrive. Here's the exact wording to use when you contact Bastion Formations. Say this: I'm a non-US resident forming a Florida LLC and I need ITIN assistance before EIN filing. Do you handle the W-7 application and certified document process? They'll walk you through getting your passport certified at a U.S. consulate or through an IRS-approved certifying acceptance agent. This cuts your timeline from 12 weeks to 4 weeks because the acceptance agent path skips the mail backlog. Or skip all this and let Bastion Formations do it for you. They coordinate the ITIN, then file for the EIN once it's approved, so you get both documents without chasing government agencies across 2 continents. I'm a non-US resident forming a Florida LLC and I need ITIN assistance before EIN filing. Do you handle the W-7 application and certified document process? File through Bastion Formations for $249 all-in. Lock annual agent at $99 instead of $150. Non-US residents get ITIN help upfront. If this saved you $250, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit Bastion Formations at bastionformations.com to start your Florida LLC today. Visit bastionformations.com.